Welcome to CaseWare Quick Vids for IFRS Financials. In this quick vid, we will demonstrate how to work with underlines in the financial statements and notes. It is important to note that the firm or administrator may already have created a standard look for underlines within the financial statements. Underlines can be placed outside and within tables in the financial statements. When creating an underline within a table, this is done in two places, in the heading of a table and in individual lines in a table. To underline a line within a table, place your cursor on the line you wish to underline. In this case, I will place my cursor on a subtotal line I have created. You can access the Underline dialog by selecting Underline from the Line menu, selecting the Underline button, or in this case by selecting Underline from the right-click menu. In the Underline dialog, you are able to select the columns you wish to underline, the line style, the line color, the thickness, and whether the underline skips if there are no values associated with the line. Please note, depending on the firm's settings, you may not have access to certain types of lines and underline styles. In this demonstration, I will show only underlines in the numeric columns on my subtotal line. This is done by placing my cursor in the parent column, holding the Shift key, and then selecting the last consolidated column. Notice the columns I wish to underline are shown in blue. I would then like to change the underline style to single heavy and change the color to green. Once I click OK, a green underline has been placed in the numeric columns of my subtotal line. To change the underlines within a table heading, from the Section drop-down menu, select Heading Border. Once again, the Underline dialog appears. However, when changing the underlines in a heading, you can select whether the underline should be applied to the top and bottom lines. If I uncheck Top and select OK, the top underline is removed from the table heading. If you have a table heading with multiple lines, not including the top and bottom lines, these middle lines can be removed by placing the cursor on the line and once again opening up the Underline dialog. This time, I will open the dialog by selecting the Underline button. Now, in the Underline dialog, if I select Deselect All, none of the columns are highlighted. Once I select OK, notice the middle underline has been removed from the table heading. Please note, if you reinsert a format into the financial statements, your customizations will be lost. If you would like to insert an underline outside a table, for example in the statement header, placing the cursor on the line in the header, in this example expressed in euros, from the Case View menu, select Insert, and select Line Style. In this dialog, you are able to change the appearance, line extent, and location. In this case, I'll be leaving everything as is and selecting OK. Notice a line has been inserted below expressed in euros. If I select the Print Preview button from the Case View menu, you are able to view the underlines as they would appear ready for printing. Please note, border lines can be added to the financial statements formats in the Table Column Properties dialog. Please see the help for additional information on border lines. That concludes the underlines in tables and financial statements. Thank you for watching CaseWare Quick Vids.